Made with Jalna Greek natural yogurt, these Zucchini and Asparagus Yoghurt Fritters will be a hit for breakfast, lunch or dinner. To start, grate the zucchini and use your hands to squeeze out as much moisture as possible. Place the zucchini in a bowl, then add the asparagus, spring onion and flour. Place some of the Jalna yogurt and the eggs in a small bowl and give them a good whisk until combined. Pour the yogurt mixture into the zucchini mixture and stir until well combined. Next, heat the oil in a non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. Drop 1/4 cup-sized portions of the mixture into the pan. Then use a spatula to flatten into about 6 cm rounds. Cook the fritters for 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown and cooked through. Transfer them to a tray or a plate lined with paper towel and repeat with the remaining mixture to make 12 fritters. Place the remaining Jalna yogurt, finely grated lemon zest and the chopped dill in a small bowl and stir to combine. When you're ready to eat, arrange the fritters and yogurt mixture on a platter. Top with some shaved asparagus and sprinkle with the lemon zest and dill sprigs. Serve with lemon cheeks or wedges for an extra burst of flavour. Perfect for any time of day, Jalna Greek natural yogurt adds a tangy flavour to these delicious veggie fritters.